Hi, hello, welcome to my channel Epic Educare. It is an educational channel. Subscribe and support this channel. In this channel, science and mathematics videos are available. Today we solve angle sums. They are very important for all competitive exams. How can we solve? Okay, consider if OP and OQ are bisectors of angle AOC and angle BOC, then measure of angle POQ. In this question, what is there? COP. OP is the bisector of angle AOC and OQ. OQ is the bisector of angle BOC. What we find out? The measurement of this angle. How can we find out? First we consider what is bisector. Bisector is a line segment. It is divided into equal parts. Any figure divides into equal parts. Any object divides into equal parts. They are called bisectors. Okay. Consider this sum. See, first we consider angle POC is equal to half of angle AOC. So, angle POC is equal to half of angle AOC. First one. See, after we consider angle POQ is the half of angle COB or BOC. Okay. So, angle COQ is the half of angle BOC. This is considered as equation number 2. Add 1 and 2. Add 1 and 2. Add these two. Angle POC plus angle COQ is equal to half angle AOC plus half angle BOC. See, after we consider angle POC plus angle COQ is what? POC plus COQ is what? POQ. Add angle POQ. See, these two are same. So, 1 by 2 into angle AOC plus angle BOC. So, angle POQ is equal to half. See, angle AOC plus angle BOC is 180 degree because it is in straight line. The measurement of sum of these two is 180 degree. So, we write as 180 degree. To simplify this, we get the value of angle POQ. Okay. 2 1s are 2. 2 9s are 18. So, 19 1s are 90. So, the value of angle POQ is what? 90 degree. POQ is equal to 90 degree. Okay.